Today I have a simple 2-minute stretch that's going to help open up those tight neck muscles. It's going to open up the ears. It's going to help you just feel better. Your breathing is going to be better, and it's really simple. So what you want to do is place both of your hands on the back of your head and make sure your elbows are aligned just like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pull all the way back while still holding onto our head. You should feel your shoulder blades touch. When they do, you want to take either your right or left side, whichever you want to do first. And as you're squeezing your shoulder blades together, you want to go ahead and turn your neck to the left. And for you, the right. Same thing. Go back into position, squeeze the shoulder blades together, hold the position and hold your elbows straight. And you want to swing your head and neck and shoulders to the opposite side. Do this consistently about 5 to 10 times, and then just let go. You'll start to feel a little bit better in your neck region. You'll start to feel like things are opening up in your back, your upper back muscles, your neck muscles. Do this. Turn to the side, back and forth. Make sure those shoulder blades are squeezing together. Make sure they touch, and then you turn. Doing that is going to help you be in an upright position. It's going to help you feel a little bit more, okay, I feel a little bit more like I can move around better. Doing this consistently, I've seen that it's really helped open up the neck muscles. It's working on all the muscles from the upper body, from the shoulders up. It's working on all the muscles simultaneously. Do this 5 to 10 times a day, and I guarantee you'll start feeling better.